Hi, this is Bhavna and you're watching India Today. Well, I watched Thama recently and really enjoyed it. And today I'm very excited to be joined by the director, Aditya, with me only on India Today. So firstly, a huge welcome.
Thank you
and
so
a
much.
huge congratulations. I mean, what a way, right? Diwali ka bumper gift jo bolte hain.
Right.
Not that we weren't expecting, honestly. I mean, it's a universe that we have learned and sort of come to love tremendously.
Right.
So I think we were expecting it to do what it has done. But were you expecting this? Because आप पे pressure था मुंजा के बाद.
देखो प्रेशर से ज्यादा एक्साइटमेंट थी कि आगे जो हो रहा है वो कंप्लीटली अलग है मुंजा से. उसका एक वर्ल्ड, उसकी एक नैरेटिव, कैरेक्टर्स, एक्टर्स एक अलग ही स्केल्ड अप और एक मजेदार स्पेस में आ रहे हैं. तो विल पीपल वांट टू वॉच इट, विल पीपल थिंक दिस इज समथिंग दे कैन वॉच. ये इसकी तो एक्साइटमेंट होती है. We know what we were making, but we did not know till it released whether people are going to take it in that sense or not.
Yeah.
And I feel, देखो अगर आप यूनिवर्स देखते हो तो उसमें एक स्त्री है which started the universe. You have a Stree 2, which is a follow-up to this
To the
big
universe,
big
yeah.
brand of Stree. So we know these films will always get an audience because there's always a recall. कि कौन सी फिल्म देख रहे हो तो स्त्री देख रहे हो. With this happens to a lot of films. Like सिंघम के साथ होता है, भूल भुलैया के साथ होता है. जो टाइटल रिकॉल होता है ना, बहुत स्ट्रांग होता है इन फिल्मों का. But in that universe, when you're putting a Bhedia, a Munja, a Thama, they always have their different maybe spaces and their different scales and lives. So it's always exciting to see कि इन फिल्मों के बारे में लोगों को क्या लगेगा.
Correct.
So for me, when I did Munja, I was quite surprised कि यार ये अलग ही लेवल पे लोग लेके गए और people loved this film.
Yeah.
Same now, I was anticipating कि अभी जब भी थामा आएगा, I hope people like it. And when the first day and second and third day came on, I realized that people are going, people are excited, people want to watch. And before the film and after the film also, people have so many theories,
Yeah.
so many versions of those films in
कि
their
ये
minds.
कहाँ connect होगा, कैसे connect
Yeah.
होगा. It's interesting.
It is
To
exciting.
just unpack everything.
Yeah, it is.
But ऐसा कुछ हुआ है अभी तक? Like, did you hear one of, because a lot of theories, right?
Yeah.
Any theory that surprised you? You perhaps did not even think
You know,
about
I'll
it.
tell you what, pre-release तो बहुत सारी theories float हो रही थी. आयुष्मान कोई what he's a adventurer, historian, then पुराने जमाने में वो मरता है फिर rebirth लेके आता है और बहुत सारी theories थी. I was watching them in the videos and the posts that
Yeah,
the theories
yeah.
were referring
And
to,
people
but
say it with so much conviction.
अरे अलग लेवल के and it's so much fun to watch all this कि अच्छा ये भी सोच रहे कि लोग अच्छा ये भी जा रहे अच्छा ये भी होने वाला है उनके दिमाग में. तो it is fun to see all of this,
Yeah.
but see we know what we're making, right? And
Yeah.
we know not only, see for me Thama is not only a standalone film in this universe, unlike a Bhedia or a Munja. Bhedia Munja के stories, worlds और character build-ups बहुत independent to the film थे. जिस फिल्म के एंड में जाके कहीं तो लास्ट सीन में या क्लाइमैक्स के लास्ट शॉट में आपको
link
दिखा कि
समझना.
ये अच्छा यूनिवर्स से लिंक्ड है. वो स्टैंडअलोन फिल्म्स थे, उसकी स्टैंडअलोन जर्नी पूरी अलग थी.
Correct.
Thama is that one film where the world of the universe comes together,
Yeah.
where everybody's stories start connecting.
Yeah.
So it is not an easy film where you can just say कि चलो ये एक वैम्पायर की फिल्म है. नहीं,
Yeah.
ये यूनिवर्स की फिल्म है जहाँ पे वैम्पायर से शुरू होती है बट ये यूनिवर्स की स्टोरी बता रही है और आगे जाके यूनिवर्स में क्या होने वाला है उस प्रॉमिस में आपको आके छोड़ रही है. तो इट्स ट्रिकी टू ऑल्सो बैलेंस योर ओरिजिन स्टोरी ऑफ कैरेक्टर्स while you're also connecting it to the universe. We are in the edits and the writing, you're constantly wondering ki how much is enough,
Yeah.
how much are we telling, how much should we tell. So it's a tricky space
But
to be.
फिर Aditya, at what point? Because it, like you said, when it's too much to handle, like there's so much to
Right.
pack in
Right,
one film
right.
because this is also an origin film where
Right.
everything has to come together. At what point were you like, okay, I think this is good and you have to let go of a lot of things as well because
Totally,
as a
totally.
director you want to put everything,
You need to,
but
so
you
but-
know you can't.
You know that you need a certain length to your film which
Yeah.
can't go. It can't be a 3 hour film. Come
Yeah,
on.
true.
अभी थिएटर में मैं लोगों को बुला रहा हूँ तो मैं इतना सेल्फ इंडल्जेंट भी नहीं हो सकता हूँ कि मेरी फिल्म खत्म ही नहीं हो रही. So it is a collective team of Nirain, Amar, my editor Hemanti ma'am, the producer of this universe, which is Dinesh sir. All of us kind of watching the film in our versions and maybe discussing this कि maybe ये रखे या निकाल दे, ये रखे या निकाल दे, ये ऐड करें या कुछ अलग करें.
Correct.
तो ये होता है. It comes through discussions. At the writing level, it always comes through ideas between Amar, me and Nirain. कि Nirain and Amar के दिमाग में एक larger graph है universe का.
True.
as they are looking at it from a different perspective, I am looking at it from that film's perspective.
Yeah.
So we always have these internal debates कि अरे पर ये क्यों नहीं कर रहे, तो अच्छा इसका आगे जाके ये होने वाला है. Then I understand, okay, अच्छा there is a connection to this, we have to make in this film.
Yeah.
So there is a point of view that we all bring to the table, but I feel at the end of the day, we realize we want to make an enjoyable film. As a standalone film, you should have fun walking out saying कि इस film में जो दिखा मजा आया मुझे. वो तो promise होना ही चाहिए. There's always another constant that these films should have. They have to be clean family entertainers. They have to be films where you can take your kids to, you can take your parents to, and you can all sit together and enjoy these films. And there has to be a certain sense of Indianness to them, जो myth के through आए या folklore के through आए या rooted storytelling through आए.
Is that why we are calling it Betal and not really like
Also,
vampire?
I'll tell you where it came from. I always felt and I was fascinated with vampires growing up. So I knew vampires की एक दुनिया है जहाँ से वो originate हुए हैं. अगर आप देखोगे तो vampire American concept भी नहीं, it's an East European concept. Where in Eastern Europe or all these countries which are very cold countries where धूप बहुत होती नहीं है. हाँ, it's always dark, it's gloomy, it's grim, it's cold. That is a perfect world to harbor an idea of a vampire who lives in the shadows, who lives, breeds there. But in India, इतनी धूप में, इतनी गर्मी में, इतने पसीने में, क्या vampire? They'll not survive. I said, man, this is in India to just kind of copy paste an idea is not fun. What can we do? And that whole ideation started from there. What can we do? So when I read the first draft, when Amar had asked me, are you interested? Are you excited to do vampires? I read it and I said, okay, I want to find something that connects this to more of a story I want to tell.
Yeah.
So I went on my own way of researching it, and in that whole process of researching it, I realized that there's this very fascinating Betal theory that comes from the Indian subcontinent, which is older than the vampire theory.
Oh wow!
Which does talk about these entities, creatures, dark figures. You can call it all of that. Who have a certain referencing to what vampires could be. कि इंसान का खून पीने वाले या इंसान का फ्लेश खाने वाले, ऐसे काफी उसमें theories थी. That took me to another theory which came from Eastern India, from the Bengal side, where there's also a thought कि when Kali fought Rakta Beach and she made an army, जिन्होंने रक्त बीज का खून पिया या जमीन पे गिरने ना दिया, तो वो जो आर्मी थी उसमें कुछ बेताल थे. तो ये बेताल के आइडियाज वहां से, and I felt this is so fascinating कि you have this massive myth that we have grown up knowing of रक्त बीज and Kali's war, where रक्त बीज का जो वध किया काली ने, इस कंसेप्ट में अगर ये बेताल काली माँ के आर्मी में होते तो क्या होता? और if that was the origin of them, and I proposed this to Dinu sir, and I remember he had asked me when he had called me, what do you think of the film, or how do you want to make it? So I proposed this idea, and he said, okay, this is interesting. So it just came from a sense of how can we Indianize this, and that has become the base story of the film. And I feel it is so important that it makes this character yours. It makes these Betals yours. Now you can very easily call them vampires. But the minute you say vampires, it is not yours. It becomes something that is borrowed from the West.
When you were setting this world, right, like you said, a lot of debates, discussions about how you want to go about things and everything, right? Was there any scene that you were tempted to perhaps remove or to add? मतलब उस पे बहुत discussion हुआ because you did not know how and where this will go, but you're so glad that you stick to that decision because it's again जब तक वो release नहीं होता, लोगों का reaction नहीं आता, you never know.
See, I was never in a doubt कि जो हो रहा है वो सही हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा है. I was always excited to see कि लोगों को कैसे लगेगा. अमर के दिमाग में क्लियर था कि मुझे अभी वरुण का वुल्फ को बड़ा बनाना है, वेयरवुल्फ करना है उसको. वो 9 फुट का होना चाहिए. हम हमेशा अमर को बोलते थे, यार अमर बहुत बड़ा सोच रहे हो तुम, लेकिन नहीं, बड़ा ही बनाओ. एंड व्हिच वाज आल्सो करेक्ट बिकॉज़ टू पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू अगर आप देखोगे तो जो जितना बड़ा है ना वो उतना बड़ा थ्रेट लगता है. एंड दैट सीक्वेंस वर्क्स बिकॉज़ ही इज दैट मैसिव बिग स्ट्रांग वुल्फ. And hats off to that VFX team who pulled it off. They
did a wonderful
job. The whole team has worked really hard on that sequence. Right from my supervisor James to Dinek का पूरा Redefine का पूरा team. But I feel इस फिल्म में ऐसे कोई भी एक मोमेंट नहीं है जहाँ पे हमें लगा ये नहीं होना चाहिए. मुझे लगा कि यार ये निकाल दे तो बेटर होता. I just feel कि एक होता है कि एक इनफ दे आपको पर इतना भी ना दे कि आपको सब समझ में आए।
करेक्ट।
तो ये जो यूनिवर्स का वर्ल्ड बिल्डिंग हुआ है, जहाँ पे पार्टरे आता है, अभिषेक आता है, अभी अभिषेक एक ही सीन के लिए आ रहा है। कितने लोगों ने हमें बोला कि यार अभिषेक थोड़ा और होता तो मजा आता, कितने लोगों ने बोला कि यार वरुण का भेड़िया का थोड़ा ट्रैक और देखने को मिलता तो मजा आता। तो दैट्स द पॉइंट, राइट?
I also want to say one
It
thing to
teases
that.
you, but teases you enough to want to watch it in the next film also.
Yeah. No, but true. I really enjoyed those cameos, and while knowing that this is a universe that will come together at some point, but right now these are small like gifts ऐसे होता है ना वो जो आपको मिल रहे हैं, and it's nice.
But I'll tell you one thing. बहुत लोग उसको cameos बोल रहे हैं. For us, they are not cameos. For us, they are these characters coming back into the world of the universe.
Yeah, like looping in and telling you that hey, yeah.
Like we have seen movies जहाँ पे एक actor cameo करता है, correct? Like I remember जैसे cameos growing up, जो बहुत बड़ा गाना हुआ था कि इसमें शाहरुख की फिल्म में, where everybody had come.
Divangi.
हाँ. Those were cameos where you saw अरे ये भी है वो भी है.
But they're not part of the universe. This is more.
This is more of not Varun doing a cameo. This is Bhaskar coming back into the universe film as Bhediya.
Yeah.
So this is Jana. This is not Abhishek. These are characters who have come back into that world, which is their only world. So ये cameos भी बोल सकते हो, but we never take it as cameos.
I think that's just an easy way of making fans understand that okay, this person has come in because हम attuned है उनको cameos बोलने के लिए.
Maybe.
But maybe from now we change that to not calling it cameos, but just a character.
Re-entries into the world.
Re-entries of characters. Yeah, that is how we are going to talk about it. But I had one of the critique, which as a fan and as an audience that I felt when I was watching that sequence, because I loved the camaraderie that both of them shared so much. But something that I wanted to ask, was it something which was like conscious decision? That you see Varun as Varun and then turning into Bhediya, but the longer scene is between Bhaskar as Bhediya and then Ayushman, I mean him as the Betal, right? A lot of people and I felt that maybe if we could have Varun changing or just having that interaction as Bhaskar a little more with Ayushman would have made perhaps a little more difference.
ऐसे नहीं कि हमने प्लान किया था इतना ही रखे. The plan was that he will come in as definitely Varun. He will come in as Bhaskar, who comes in with that conflict and that face off तो उसका ही होता है, right? But when you see him change into this massive Bhediya, nobody saw it coming.
Yeah, that's true.
Werewolf जो है ना, is not the wolf you've seen him like.
Yeah, because this is like
so that is your bigger one step up, where you kind of really mount it in a different scale. So इतना भी ना खींचे कि वो जब भी आए तभी उसका इम्पैक्ट चला जाए.
करेक्ट.
बट ऑल्सो आई थिंक वरुण और आयुष्मान का जो कैमराड्री आपने देखा, जितना गिव एंड टेक ऑफ डायलॉग्स और टसल था, वो तो अभी शुरुआत है ना. इफ आई गिव यू एवरीथिंग राइट नाउ,
yeah, of course,
now you know where he's come. Now you know what might happen,
and now you know what to anticipate in the future films that come.
And there's a reason why he's come there to Ayushman. There's a reason why he wants that blood, and there's a reason why आगे जाके he would.
अब तो मतलब I think we are flipping also, so it's a lot of things happening. I'm very excited to see where it goes. But again, now coming back to the characters that you have developed in Thama, right? Which was the most difficult character to sort of bring up, because of course लिखाई तो एक होती ही है, but उनको उस तरीके से दिखाना, because you know.
So वैसे difficult से ज़्यादा challenging था यक्षासन जो नवाज ने किया है. Why it was more challenging is also because I know that I have a fantastic actor that I can use in the film for his performance. But in the writing also we knew that in the story that we're telling, Yakshasana will emerge in the end. Because he will have a very big role to play in the next film.
Correct.
And how much does he emerge? Because see, आप कोई भी normal film देखो, एक villain build होता है film में, और end में वो मारा जाता है, या उसकी story खत्म हो जाती है, तो आपने पूरी film उसको build करने में रखी है. But this is a universe film. ऐसे नहीं कि नवाज this was the end of it. This is now actually where the film begins.
It's actually the beginning of
exactly for his track. So a lot of people understand, but a few don't. कि यार बोलते कि यार नवाज क्या कर रहा था फिल्म में, वो जितना कर रहा था उतना ही करने वाला था फिल्म में. अभी यूनिवर्स की पर्सपेक्टिव से देखो तो आगे जाके क्या करेगा, वो सरकटा एक साथ आके क्या करेंगे. This is where the character originates from. तो पूरी फिल्म में नवाज को उस गुफा में बंद रखना और सिर्फ क्लाइमैक्स के लिए निकालना, और क्लाइमैक्स उसके साथ उतने एंटरटेनिंग करना, और उसका एक विट, उसका एक ह्यूमर लाना, और उसके बाद उसको डेंजरस बनाना जब वो पूरा शैडो आता है और उसका वो बेताल को मार के और शक्तिशाली बनता है. ये सब करना चैलेंजिंग था क्योंकि आपको पता है कि आपके पास उतना ही टाइम है सब करने के लिए। अगर आप बैटमैन वर्सेस जोकर का पूरा सेटअप देखते हो डार्क नाइट में, तो आपको पता है आपका पहला सीन ही जोकर से शुरू होता है, जोकर ही वो फिल्म को ड्राइव करता है, क्योंकि जोकर उस फिल्म के एंड में आके कहीं तो उसका नैरेटिव खत्म होता है। अभी इस यूनिवर्स के हिसाब से हमारे लिए था कि अभी तो नवाज शुरू होगा और नाउ ही विल टेक ऑफ, सो इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट द बैलेंस इज डन करेक्टली, बट हियर आल्सो आई फील दैट he's done a great job.
Yeah,
and he's a very good actor. Or his brief, you know, was कि I don't know if people have picked up on it or not. बेताल का अपना reference growing up was Vikram Betal. I don't know if you've seen it.
Yeah.
पर दूरदर्शन में विक्रम बेताल आता था.
I don't think anyone has not seen it. A millennial kid
So the minute you say बेताल, the first thing that comes to your mind is
विक्रम बेताल का reference आता है.
वो जो बेताल था, जिसको विक्रम पकड़ता था एपिसोड की शुरुआत में, और वो उसको ऐसे उठपटांग के सवाल पूछता था और उसको ट्रैप कर देता था उसी के ख्यालों में, और फिर वो भाग जाता था, फिर विक्रम को अगले एपिसोड में वापस उसको जाके पकड़ना होता था। द काइंड ऑफ ह्यूमर दैट बेताल हैड, द quirk that he had, the madness that he had, that was what Nawaz was doing in this film. That is my brief to him. So I feel he's done a fantastic job, but I also feel it was a very, very challenging role.
It was, because I was actually going to ask you that was it by design that you
Yes.
preferred him to be humorous, because जिस तरीके से कैरेक्टर को बोला जा रहा था since the beginning, everyone is saying Yakshasana is very deadly, he's like that villain, you don't want to come against him, you don't want to have a face off with him, but जब यक्षासन को हम देख रहे हैं बिगनिंग में, तो ये तो मतलब ऐसे पीजे मार रहा है, मतलब आई एम लाइक कि आई एम सपोज्ड टू फील थ्रेटन्ड बाय हिम बिकॉज़ ही इज लाइक रियली लाइक फनी,
बट दैट्स द पॉइंट, यू नो, ही इज डिसेप्टिव, ही इज डिसेप्टिव। जैसे आपको लगा ना, आपको पीजे मार रहा है तो आपको लगेगा ये क्या करेगा, और फिर वो करता है ना,
that's
you
when,
don't expect it to happen.
yeah, true. That's what I was coming to. So it was by design, like
Yes,
everything.
totally.
And what was the brief given to Rashmika, because I feel her character was more, because you know she has to behave like, because she also comes from an era which is not
Yes.
not
Yes.
modern era, right? So you see her looking everywhere, not understanding simple things.
So देखो, she's seen the world to a point. आप ये तो नहीं बोल सकते कि वो जंगल से कभी बाहर निकली नहीं है,
Correct,
बिकॉज वो
correct.
बोलती भी है कि हम पहले बाहर निकलते थे, हम पहले दुनिया देखते थे, अभी काफी सालों से हम निकलते नहीं बिकॉज वी चूज नॉट।
Yeah.
तो ऐसे नहीं था कि यार ये कौन सी दुनिया में आ गई,
Correct.
उसको ऐसे लगेगा,
But
और वो
interaction शायद उतने नहीं हुए.
इतने नहीं हो, और ऑल्सो ऐसा नहीं था कि ये फिल्म उसके बारे में थी,
Correct.
कि वो बाहर आके हर चीज पे रिएक्ट करे,
Correct.
यार ये गाड़ियां कब से आ
It's not
गई और
PK.
लोग फोन पे क्या बात कर रहे हैं, वो
Yeah.
पीके ही नहीं, वो फिल्म ही नहीं है।
हाँ.
उसमें यही था कि मे बी उसके पास जो वॉकमैन मिला था, उसके पास जो चीजें मिली थी, हमने सीड भी वो किया था कि मे बी कहीं ना कहीं तो ना उस वो ह्यूमन वर्ल्ड से थोड़ी इनवेरिएबली कनेक्टेड है। जो एक बैग मिलती है आयुष्मान को, जो वो उल्टी करके उसमें वॉकमैन मिलता है, उसमें अगर आप देखोगे काफी सारी चीजें ऐसी रखी थी जो रश्मिका ने इकट्ठा की है और वहां पे रखा था। मे बी उसका एक इंक्विजिटिवनेस अबाउट दुनिया में बाहर क्या हो रहा है, एक रिबेलियन है, इसलिए वो आयुष्मान को वापस उठा के लेके भी आती है। तो उसका ब्रीफ ही यही था कि यू आर अ वैम्पायर, you have seen the world change over all these hundreds of years you've been alive, but एक पॉइंट के बाद आप वो मिस कर रहे हो कि दुनिया के साथ आपका जो कनेक्ट खत्म किया है ना आप ही ने, आपका वो रिबेलियन कहीं से अभी जग रहा है। you want to still, you want to connect, you want to know what it felt like once being in the world outside, and Ayushmann is her entry into that world. So for us, her brief was very clear that your eyes should do the talking, because the way you look at things, that fascination about the living world has to be there, but the film is not about how you react to the world.
Correct.
So let's keep it to the point where we make you believable, but I think Rashmika is a fantastic actor, और वो आती ही है ऐसे दुनिया से। But for me, when we were casting her, why was it important to get a Rashmika on this film is because she comes from Coorg, she comes from this from the nature, she's brought up into this world which is the world that is in Thama.
Correct.
So I did not want a girl who has been only a city
Person. Yeah.
who will act like वो तड़का है। तो रश्मिका बहुत इनवेरिएबली उसके साथ हुआ कि जहाँ पे हम शूट कर रहे थे वहाँ पे she's done all of that. जंगलों में गई है, ट्रैक किया है।
Okay, nice.
So for her it was that the world that she was very excited to go back to. And for me it was very important that I present her as a vampire, but a vampire with a sense of emotion.
Yeah.
And she misses out on that heartbeat that she's getting connected to, that innocence in an individual that she's not seen, because around her the men are all alphas.
Yeah, true.
They're all constantly angry,
Yeah.
they're biting, eating, drinking, एनिमल ब्लड, तो एक ऐसा लड़का जो एग्जैक्ट ऑपोजिट है उसके सामने आए, तो वही तो था.
Again, was it by design that, like you said, she's actually, when you point it out, it's more apparent that she is probably the only female energy in this entire alpha male universe.
Yes.
In ways, not universe in general, but like in
Well,
this
Thama
world.
Right.
Again, was that also by choice, or this is something?
Totally. If you see the crowd around her, it's all men.
Just men.
Mostly men.
Yeah.
So among these men, she's realized that men have become emotionless. They have kind of because they also the dead, right? वो मर के vampire बने.
Correct.
बेताल बने. तो ये भी है कि उसके लिए वो जिंदा रहना, एक धड़कन सुनाई देना किसी के अंदर, और वो जो एक sense of feeling है, she feels overwhelmed.
Correct.
Because it's very simple, it is that how a hunter falls in love with his prey. आप एक शेर और एक लोमड़ी की लव स्टोरी बता रहे हो ना बेसिकली. आप वही बोल रहे हो ना कि अगर एक बीस्ट है जिसकी फितरत में ही इंसान का खून पीना,
Correct.
और एक इंसान है जिसके प्यार में वो पड़ जाती है या पड़ जाता है, इनका ब्यूटी एंड द बीस्ट वाला ही वो रेफरेंस है.
Correct.
It is so vague that what can go wrong goes
Yeah.
wrong, and that is, I think, for us it was always the most exciting part of the film.
But was it also difficult to mount all those action sequences, because most of the action, if one may see, until the climax,
Right.
is actually being head-on taken by Rashmika's character.
Yeah, she
like
does.
Tadika is the one who's
Yeah.
really doing all the action.
Because she's the first vampire entry into the
Correct.
world where she shows that she can do all of these things.
Yeah.
And then when Ayushmann changes
Correct.
and converts, he senses his powers and he kind of understands them. It was challenging, but it was a lot of fun to do that kind of action. जहाँ पे characters कूद रहे,
Correct.
छलांग लगा रहे, उड़ रहे, all that they're doing. So I think this is something that we don't get to do यार mostly.
Yeah,
आप action
and
करते तो
especially
बहुत-
with a female actor, it's more difficult.
But Rashmika brings a lot of genuine physical energy to the part to make it look believable also.
Correct.
So I think you need to train, and she's trained a lot in cable work, in basically her fitness. But I think what you see unfold in the film at different intervals, जहाँ पे वो reveal करती है वो vampire है, all those stunts, the climax, she has her highlight moments, and she's done it really well. And hats off to her for having pulled this off when she was going through an injury. She had broken her leg right in the middle of a shoot, and it was a very bad injury.
Yeah.
So to kind of go through all of that, to recover, to come back and then do action, you need a lot of hard work for it.
It is, and she is one of the hardworking
Very hardworking
people that
she
I
is,
know. I mean, but also again, I feel like her hard work sometimes get overlooked.
When you have an actor where you relate to that actor, she's very real. You relate to her. Unlike big stars, I would not take names, but there are some actors who are just from a different world.
Yeah.
They have a lot of sense of glamour, and that's also a big plus to have, where you bring that to a film. But with Rashmika, she brings a lot of relatability to a film. She feels like she's among us. हम में से ही कोई स्टार बना है. ऐसे कभी होता है ना, तो people have a lot more to say also about this, because people have a lot more opinions.
Yeah.
What she wears, how she looks, how she talks, what she does, everybody has an opinion about it, because they feel ki okay, she's one of us.
Yeah.
When you don't look at her as a different otherworldly star only, she is a star in her own sense, but she also makes a big effort to connect to that audience in her own way,
Yeah.
in whatever possible way she can. So I feel that opens her up to a lot more criticism, because you feel you can pinpoint and say कि यार ये नहीं करना चाहिए था, ये करना चाहिए था. But against that, when you see a big star who always feels from a different world, you don't have so many opinions. Because
Yeah.
you feel कि यार maybe इनके साथ ऐसे ही होता
ऐसा
होगा.
ही होता होगा.
And
That is true.
And that changes a lot of things when you are an actor doing so many different kind of.
Wow.
Yeah.
I think what you're saying is absolutely correct, because
Maybe
her
that's how I look at it.
relatability also makes her vulnerable, and I think that is the great thing. Because
Amazing,
eventually
but
that
I
is
think
what
the
it
way she looks at it and the way she takes it and the way she uses it to do better, I think it's phenomenal.
is. Yeah. Now also let's talk about Ayushman's character,
Yes.
because I feel like you said, one of the most key characters, because he starts off as a human being, has that transition, and then
Yeah.
becomes this Thama that
Correct.
we are really talking about, right? Which also means that his equation with each character changes with each role that he's
Yes.
playing, because he's different people at different at different points.
Yeah.
Just that brief, and to get that thing together, because when I'm looking, I can see that difference with each phase.
Ayushman's
Right?
casting was primarily done also because of this reason that I needed, and this film needed, a relatable Delhi boy who could be among any of us.
True.
And Ayushmann always has done that really well. He's pulled off these characters जहाँ पे
वो लहजा बहुत आसानी से आ जाता है ना, वो
हाँ
दिल्ली
उसमें
वाला।
ना एक अगेन जैसे रश्मिका में है उसमें भी वो है कि ये अपने में से ही कोई है।
हाँ।
और his journey is also been that
Yeah,
from Roadies to Arjing,
yeah.
Vijaying, and then to come here. So he feels like he's lived and his journey is very real. He feels like among us, and it was very important for me to see that I convinced people that anybody can be a बेताल. ये जो बेताल बन रहा है ये बहुत रेगुलर एवरेज लड़का है
Yeah.
जो एक सुपर हीरो बनेगा.
That's what you from Paresh's character. You also make everyone
ये
know
सिर्फ
that
लप्पू सा लोग जिनपुर से लड़का है. और जो उसके बाप को वो गधा लगता है. ऐसे कितने लोग हैं
That's
लड़के
true.
जिनको लगता है कि यार
Yeah.
उनके पिताजी को लगता है वो
Yeah.
गधे हैं.
Yeah.
उनसे कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. And it's done in a lot of sense of humor and fun, but
Yeah.
वो वही है कि ये अंडर अचीवर है, इससे कुछ ज्यादा होने नहीं वाला है.
हाँ.
और अभी ये सुपर हीरो बनता है फिल्म में, तो वो जर्नी देखने में मजा भी आता है. एंड बिकॉज इट मेक्स यू बिलीव कि ये हो सकता है.
Correct.
Because what drives him towards that end is the fact that his love is pure. His
Yeah.
fascination for that girl starts in the jungle and it somewhere builds in the story.
True.
To a point where he says कि maybe she's the one.
Yeah.
And he pursues it, and in that whatever happens turns him into the big
Yeah.
betal. But that also tells you that he makes it believable. That he brings that certain sense of an image or a certain sense of personality to the character, which makes you believe after all these films he's done, still makes you believe that he can be that Lappu Saruk.
Yeah.
And
still be the
and
Kama.
still, and then in the end when he
Yeah.
stands tall, still makes you believe कि अभी ये तो अलग ही
Again,
बन
that
गया.
entire a bit of body transformation as well during that time,
Yeah.
right? Because the moment he turns,
Yeah.
he accepts more than turns. When he accepts that now I am this Betal, I
See,
think his body transforms.
He becomes
as
a
well.
different individual.
Yeah.
He gives that sacrifice to the girl he loves.
Yeah.
It's the ultimate sacrifice that he kind of wants to save her, and he dies in that attempt. So when he emerges as this new
Yeah.
avatar, it's that conviction that an actor has to also bring to it. That the body transformation, the visual of it, and the performance of it.
Yeah.
So now आगे जाके वो कैसे करेगा? जैसे वो
Correct.
भागा था वेयरवुल्फ से.
हाँ.
अभी वो उसका डट के सामना करेगा, कैसे
अब तो
करेगा?
मतलब वही
You
है.
never know. ना? Now it's
Yeah.
more exciting to see that the
Yeah.
equation has changed.
Yeah, but was there any point in the film where it was like at least one point where you were sure that this is going to be a turning point?
Yeah.
And how did you sort of mount it, because you had to make sure that this looks the way I'm thinking it does?
The climax.
The climax.
For me, it was very important that when Ayushmann dies, another energy hits him, and when he resurfaces, it had to feel correct. And we did a lot of turnarounds in trying to make that work. The Mahashakti ki energy, the way it unfolds. I would not want to go much in detail because I feel it's best to
For
watch
people
it.
to go and watch it,
Yes,
yeah.
best to watch it. But the way it unfolds for me was very important because that was, again, I say, it was his origin story
Yeah.
and his origin moment as a vampire, as a Betal, as a Thama. So for us, it was extremely important that feels overwhelming, and I hope we've kind of been able to pull that off.
You have, because the climax is perhaps one of the strongest points in the film as
And it's a
well.
long
Like,
climax.
It is,
Yeah,
it
yeah.
is. I was like, ये तो मतलब, I think it starts with Varun because वहाँ पे
It picks up there.
Yeah, and then it never really like.
So your
पहले
second
से,
half,
हाँ,
second half is the climax.
climax,
Entirely.
yeah,
Right.
and it really builds up the entire
Right.
universe.
Right.
But also, again, I want to know, Nora appears as well.
Yeah.
We of course connected to Sri, but then she also comes as Betal.
Yeah.
So I'm just like, ये क्या चल रहा है यहाँ पे? Is she
ये
now part of the?
ये अमर के दिमाग से आई हुई आइडिया है.
हाँ.
And I think he was very convinced and sure कि, and it makes sense because देखो वो वहाँ कैसे कौन बन के आई थी इन स्त्री वन
हाँ.
इन चंदेरी.
Yeah.
You don't know. देखो डांस करने आई थी और डांस करके गई. वो बेताल थी क्या तब? क्या बाद में बेताल बनी?
Yeah,
वो
that's
पहले
what
से
I
बेताल
was wondering कि क्या हो गया
That's
ये?
something that you can think of ना.
Yeah,
कि-
because you also, it's not like one could forget and be like, कि, okay, this is maybe a different character, but you also say that she came from Chanderi. You also say that she.
That because Ayushmann says ना कि इसको देखा
Yeah.
है पहले.
हाँ वही तो.
And वही तो cop also says फैजल कि ये तो वही है ना चंदेरी.
Yeah, yeah.
So we have made a very deliberate connect to that, and we intend to do it कि ऐसे ही नहीं लोग आ रहे इसमें.
Correct.
इनका
There
कुछ
is
तो
a.
कनेक्शन है, इनका कुछ रेफरेंस है. आगे जाके ये क्या करेंगे you never know.
Yeah.
कितना स्टेक होगा, वापस आप नोरा को देखोगे नहीं देखोगे, इट्स अगेन व्हेन यू सी द वर्ल्ड बिल्डिंग, बट यू हैव एटलीस्ट सीडेड दैट इनटू द माइंड्स ऑफ द ऑडियंस कि ये भी हो सकता है.
That is true.
Yeah.
I mean, there's so much I want to ask because
Yeah.
it's a universe and I'm always curious to know more, but I also know that you can't.
But I always
Speak
feel
more.
that it's always great to have that excitement alive and,
Yeah.
and nurtured inside you till the next film comes and
Yeah.
you get more answers, and then you have maybe some more questions that
But
are
I
answered
think
in the
the
next
questions
film.
are going to be non-stop, Aditya. But
No, but it's fun to see that the audience has taken this universe and
Yeah.
they've made it their own,
yeah,
and they've endorsed it as the Indian universe that they really love and give so much appreciation and genuine passion towards.
yeah.
This is great.
Also, a horror comedy universe is extremely difficult to pull off because you're balancing two extremely different genres. I mean,
Yeah.
comedy, although people feel it's easy, it's perhaps the most difficult.
It is.
And horror,
Yeah.
I mean, together it just, and I don't think anyone in the world has done it the way we
As
have.
a full-fledged universe, nobody has.
Nobody
Yeah.
has, and I think kudos that y'all are doing it, and it's only going to grow and grow. So we should also talk about the announcement that is to proceed with this
Yeah.
film, which जिसका मैं वेट कर रही थी थिएटर में, लेकिन वो आया ही नहीं because I was like,
एक्चुअली
what
वो
is
अनाउंसमेंट आई,
happening?
वो शुरुआत में आई ना,
हाँ,
जो शक्तिशालिनी
हाँ.
और अनीत पड्डा की थी. We had a trailer, announcement trailer, which was
Correct.
in the beginning of the film.
correct.
So there were too many speculations. What is happening and who is here and who is not. There had to be some explanation given there
Yeah,
in the right way, in the right time, and in the right film.
correct.
Which I feel this is now kind of laid all those
Yeah.
speculations to rest, and now people know that शक्तिशालिनी हो रही है और अनीत पड्डा ही शक्तिशालिनी.
हाँ,
तो गोइंग फॉरवर्ड नाउ, कैसे वो क्या करेगी, वो कौन है, उसका क्या होगा, स्टोरी क्या है, is something that you will slowly start seeing unfold.
yeah.
And there's more than a year and a half to go. So I think.
But
the
I
right time-
think with all the anticipation, years are going to fly. Time flies like
Great.
this.
Yeah. I'm just hoping that it's a mammoth task, to do all these films, and Amar is kind of overseeing all of this. So कभी कौन सी फिल्म आएगी, कौन करेगा, कैसे होगा, उसकी overall announcement कभी होगी. I think at the right time there's a plan, and that plan will be executed.
But are you part of that film as well? Because
See,
I think
I-
Munjia you have done extremely well. Thama you have done so well. So now,
See, there are 6 more films to be made in this universe. Definitely a lot of them Amar is going to do. I still want to be in the universe, and I want to be making the next films. There's also certain Mahamunja that I am personally very emotionally connected to. So you will know the right time whether I'm doing Shaktishalini or not. I feel
I have a feeling you are.
I feel Shaktishalini right now is at a very, very interesting space where Durgesh, who's writing it, he's written some really good web series OTT.
Right.
उसने गुल्लक की थी.
अच्छा, तो ये फिल्म पहली फिल्म है जो वो लिख रहे हैं, मतलब ये स्पेस में,
ये दुनिया
यूनिवर्स में,
ये दुनिया
हाँ, ये
की
यूनिवर्स
यूनिवर्स की वो फिल्म
हाँ,
लिख रहे
हाँ.
हैं, एंड वेरी टैलेंटेड राइटर, एंड एज अमर हैज दिस लार्ज प्लान ऑफ द यूनिवर्स वेयर ही नोज कि आगे होके क्या होने वाला है, कहाँ क्या जाने वाला है. आई थिंक इट्स ऑल नाउ कमिंग टुगेदर समहाउ. सो नाउ वी आर इन द पोजीशन टू नाउ सी कि अभी इसका आगे क्या करना है,
Correct.
एंड द राइट टाइम the right announcement will be made.
Okay, so I'm
Yes.
going to look forward to that.
Let's-
but till then,
let's hope.
we are going to enjoy Thama in theaters near us.
Totally.
है ना? Thank you so much, Aditya.
Thank you so much.
And all the very best because I'm hoping and wishing for more and more films from you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Means a lot.